Everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if won't send text messages on Note 60 Pro. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. You will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in settings, scroll down and click on system and click on reset phone and reset all settings. After click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, so check your network. After check network, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on app management and click on app list. After click on app list, so click on messages app and click on storage and cache and clear cache messages app. After clear cache messages app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app and click on my phone. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.